everybody, my name is Julie and this is Beautiful Horizon, where we talk about homemaking, homeschooling, and intentional living. Today we are talking about going on a cruise. So the first thing that I got were these waterproof cell phone holder thingies, lanyards. These are from Unbreakable, and let's hope that that is the case. You just open them here at the top. You can put your phone in, and then it's sort of like a Ziploc, but it seals real tight here. And then you're supposed to even be able to film underwater, as long as you start above water and then bring it below. So we'll see if we have an opportunity to do that. But this can also hold our sail and sign card since we are traveling on a Carnival cruise ship. Okay, the second thing that I got for the cruise was a toiletries bag, and this one came with a shoe bag or whatever you want to call it. And this one, you unzip it and it has a hook at the top, so you could hook it on like your shower stall or a doorknob or something. And then it has this little pocket up here. It's got some smaller pockets in here and this mesh pocket right in the front. And then these are removable if you have a short trip. You can take them off, or you can just open them up and put things in either side. They both look the same, but it just has this little mesh pocket here and a little strap to hold things if they're taller. So I thought that would be nice to have something where we could keep all of our toiletries in it and hang it in the bathroom for holding whatever we need to hold. The third thing that I got was a set, and I got pink and I got black because my husband and I are going. And it comes with 2 of each. So it comes with 2 of these for the pink set. The black also comes with 2 of these big, large sizes here. And then 2 medium size and 2 smaller size, like for shoes. And I also got that in the black, but it just has the mesh. It doesn't have any of the fun, like, little geometric shapes or whatever you want to call them. It just has mesh all the way across. And it also comes in the medium and the large size, 2 of each. And I will link everything that I'm talking about in the description below in case you want to check it out on Amazon. If you have Prime, that's 2-day shipping. We love Prime in this house, so if you like that too, they'll be linked below. So the fourth and final thing that we got was a luggage set. We have never purchased luggage before. We've always had hand-me-down luggage, things that I had or things that someone gave us. And we had gotten rid of some of them because the handles had broken, the zippers had broken. Like, it's just been a long time since we've done this type of traveling before. We have done some car travels, but I've just used backpacks or like a large duffel bag or something like that. So this time around, I wanted to buy some actual luggage to be able to take with us. And so we looked at buying just a couple things separate, but then we realized that this set would be really nice to have to store all inside of each other for when we're not traveling. So the first size, I will link it below so you can check out all the sizes. But the first size is this small one, and it's got the straps here on the side, and then it's got the zipper divider, and I really liked how it folds this way. And so we'll be using our clothing cubes for that. And then it zips, and all of them have the TSA lock right here, so you can put in your code. The TSA will be able to unlock it, but other people will not. Then it has a nice handle here, and this kind of a handle here, and it rolls on all 4, so you can push it along with you instead of having to pull it behind you. This is the medium size, same thing. It's got the straps on one side, the zipper mesh pocket with the divider on the other side. Also has the TSA lock here, nice rolling wheels, good ratings on Amazon. And then there's the large size, which is pretty large. So here, this should still fit for us on our cruise dimensions and everything, so that should be fine. So those are all the things that we got for traveling on a cruise ship. It's our first time. If you have any tips, please leave them in the description below. I'd love to hear your cruise tips. And if you have any questions about these items, let me know. And like I said, they'll be linked in the description. So thanks for watching. And if you're going on a cruise soon, happy cruising. Bye.